But this I prefer anytime over Botox. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys an additional skincare routine or slash, not even routine, but something that I've added to my skincare regimen because I think it's completely awesome and it feels great. It's a jade roller. It smells like lavender.
So the first thing we're going to do is start with the eyes. Underneath, we're starting with the right eye first.
I look like Mufti Mink with this thing on me. Like, if any of you guys know who Mufti Mink is, that's unfortunate. But yeah,
you want to
so
be as gentle as possible,
really
getting in the corners, which they call the crow's feet. Make sure that when you're rotating outwards, you're going up as you go across your face underneath your eyes. Now we're going to the left side. Make sure you do the same with the left side. Do you see the difference already? One is a little darker and one is a little lighter. So once you go over across your face, you want to go in an angle up and across. Take that other side and you're going to go up and you're going to go across and up, and then you're going to get into those corners, which again we call the crow's feet. And once you are finished, you want to make sure you feel that tightness within underneath your eyes and you feel the blood circulating, because that is what's going to give it its light color. Once you notice that, then you can move forward to other places on your face, but you have to look in the mirror in order to see the progression from before and after. Now we're going to take the larger side and we're going to go outwards and up. It feels amazing.
And then you take the larger side. Trust me, when you buy this, make sure you get the one with two sides. You're gonna see one with one side, which is kind of inconvenient for under your eyes. Get the one with both sides. And this right here, ladies and gentlemen, feels amazing. Up. So even here, I feel it like tighten here. This beats Botox, and it's like natural aging versus you taking a shot in the face.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Subscribe.